Hello, my name is Paul Quinterio and welcome. I'm coming to you from Orem, Utah, and the purpose of this short video is to introduce to you the most technologically advanced, clinically validated micronutrient vitamin supplement on the planet today. A supplement funded by the United States Congress specifically for our soldiers. There are two main objectives in military technology and the funding of it. First, to destroy an enemy's capacity to make war, and second, to protect the soldiers. The history of war and technological advance are inseparably linked. The sheer scale of military funding for science since World War II has been massive. There's not a country in the world that even comes close to spending what we do. We have done well in protecting our soldiers from the outside. Harder than diamonds and 100 times stronger than steel, our soldiers today are protected on the outside of their bodies by the latest and most advanced super materials available. What about protecting our soldiers from the inside? Throughout history, armies and disease have been constant companions. Death from disease often exceeds battlefield deaths. We learned from the Soviet war in Afghanistan between 1979 and 1989. Of the 620,000 Soviets who served in the war, 415,932 were hospitalized for serious diseases. In other words, 67% of those who served in Afghanistan required hospitalization for non-combat events. Then it became our turn. About one-third of Gulf War veterans, or 175,000 to 250,000, have Gulf War illness, also known as Gulf War Syndrome. As a result of that fateful Tuesday morning, September 11, 2001, government officials recognized that more needed to be done to protect our soldiers. The U.S. Marine Systems Command asked a very important question of a group of doctors and research scientists. Is it possible to protect our men and women in uniform from the inside out? The U.S. Department of Defense realized that external body armor wasn't enough, and as a result of all the invisible battlefield threats, our soldiers are 4 times more likely to contract illness and disease. Because when troops go into harm's way, they fight enemies both seen and unseen. And what unseen enemies do they face? Like ionized radiation, oxidative stress, weakened immunity, inflammation, environmental toxins, countless other hazards. So with congressional funding, a world-class team of medical doctors and PhD scientists went to work to develop a natural oral preparation that could boost protection and repair of DNA for troops operating in challenging environments. The product was created and manufactured under several cooperative research and development agreements existing between the United States Department of Defense, U.S. Marine System Command, NASA, and a leading military contractor. So the question could be asked, why go through all that trouble? Why not just do a search among the many fine products that already exist in the marketplace? Well, after years of scientific research and clinical validation, including several human trials, a product was produced unlike anything else. The extensive research and human clinical trials have demonstrated without question that this product is indeed the first and only natural form oral preparation of its kind to protect and repair double-strand breaks in human DNA. Think of it! To protect and repair double-strand breaks in human DNA. There's nothing else like it. Do you know of any other vitamin that can make that claim? Do you know of any nutraceutical supplement that can make that claim? Do you know of any pharmaceutical drug that can make that claim? I don't. Until now. Introducing Military Micronutrient Formulation, or MMF. It was created for the health of our soldiers, But as the result of an unexpected but favorable occurrence, MMF is now available to everyone. For more information, please call the number you see on the screen.